This is your computer. And this is a quantum computer. One plays music, the other plays with the fabric of reality. So, why isn't this beast in your backpack yet? And how does it create magic? Classical computers use bits, tiny switches that are either on or off, 0 or 1. But quantum computers use qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both at once. Thanks to something called superposition, it's like a jungle chameleon, balancing on two vines at once. Until you look, then it snaps to just one. Superposition lets Leo the lion split into many avatars, each exploring a different path of a jungle problem, all at once. Instead of solving a problem step by step, Leo tries every step at the same time. Now meet Tika. She's in a different quantum jungle. But she's entangled with Leo. That means whatever happens to him affects her instantly, like jungle twins who share brainwaves. Let's say the jungle safe is locked with a special number, one that was made by multiplying two secret primes. That's how encryption works in the real world. To crack it, Leo splits into millions of quantum avatars. Each one grabs a prime number ball and hurls it at a bunch of jungle drums. Each ball makes a different sound as it bounces around. Most of it, just noise. But Tika is entangled with all of them. She's a jungle rhythm expert. She listens to all the drum beats at once, listening not for any one sound, but for a pattern, a rhythm, a hidden beat, repeating over and over, buried in the noise. When she hears it, she amplifies it, boosts the Leos who are on beat, and silences the ones who are off. Together, they don't test every possible code. They extract the secret rhythm that reveals the hidden primes and unlock the vault. So why isn't your phone a quantum computer? Because qubits are drama queens. They need to be kept colder than space and shielded from even the tiniest whisper of heat, noise, or motion. Because the moment they feel a nudge from the outside world, the quantum magic disappears. Poof. Just like that. It's called decoherence. It's when a qubit goes from mysterious jungle wizard to just a regular old switch. But we're making progress. Scientists and companies are building better qubits, smarter error correction, and even cloud-based quantum computers you can try today. Quantum computers won't replace your laptop anytime soon, but one day they might design new medicines, simulate molecules, and crack codes that classical computers can't touch. Until then, if all you've got in your backpack is a banana, still a good day. Enjoyed this quantum quest? Hit the like button and subscribe, and swing by next time for more brain-bending science from the jungle.